What's up, everybody? MetalBlade X here, and welcome back to another video. So in this video today, we're gonna be going to the lava map, and we're gonna be going there as a glitch. And we got some of my friends, and yeah, that's all you need to know for today. He's waving, Tabby's waving, and Pointy Hammerhead is also waving. New friend, new person. Yep. And this is my first time I'm making a video, so like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. All right, everybody.
Let's go!
I'm gonna grab my boat. I'm gonna grab both of my rockets and.
I think I'm about to become poor after this.
We can get magma cubes. We can get magma cubes.
Get that pickaxe, bro.
Let's get some magma cubes.
I have a pickaxe in my backpack. Okay, I'll put this in your backpack. I'll put this in my backpack. Here, take these rockets.
Woo!
Okay.
Guys, I'm so excited.
Yeah, sure. Okay, guys, we're gonna go over there.
All right, bet.
3, 2, 1, go. You go first.
Who knows? This lava might. Who says it's lava? It might be delicious orange soda. Only one way to find out, right?
Yeah.
Oh wait, I'm an idiot. I thought we were gonna planets. Anyways, let's go, people.
So.
All right. No.
Wait, your video is Technoblade? Wait, your video is Technoblade?
No, my video isn't Technoblade.
Unsubscribe.
It's MetalBlade X.
Oh, unsubscribe to that video. I love those videos, but I'm a YouTuber as well.
Oh wait, it wasn't this crack. It wasn't this crack. No. It wasn't this crack.
No, we're gonna die from this crack. I tried this crack before and I died.
Yeah, it's a different crack.
It's this one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, the only one way to find out. Help me.
No, I got you. No. Actually, no, die. Yeah. See ya, twerp.
Help me.
Oh, I fell too. Just kidding. I'm heading down. Pee-pee.
Guys, I'm getting targeted.
Hopefully I won't get canceled. I see no lava. I see no lava rocks. Where are the magma cubes?
Guys, I need help.
Nope, not dying, chat. Okay, nice. Please. Dun. Dun.
Guys, I got magma.
Dun.
How many my magma cubes, please?
All this time she was standing there and she never took her eyes off me. All this time she was standing there and she never took her eyes off me. All this time she was standing there and then she never took her eyes off me. Guys, I'm dead. I'm actually dead. I died?
But that's insane. Yo. Help me!
Okay, it's like this.
Oh my god! Okay, here we go!
Everybody, I'm heading back to planets. I'm heading back to planets.
I'm coming! Don't wait for me!
I ain't waiting for you, bro. I need the money. Oh look, spiders. Are you there?
Are you waiting for me?
I can't. I genuinely can't.
You already go?
Yeah. Sorry, man.
I'm coming down!
I can't find any magma cubes. Oh wait, I found some.
Oh, they're really far!
Oh man, there's no way I'll be able to make it there without losing health. With a shot. Nope. Nope.
Oh, I see magma cubes.
Oh wait, I could just grapple.
Oh, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I'm a little too focused.
Oh, I'm trying to find where you are.
Oh my god, I'm an idiot. What's it gonna be, bro? What's it gonna be, Alex? Can I really? Dude, you freaking idiot, Alex. Hold on. Wait, where's the exit? Is that it? No, it can't. Wait, I can't find the exit.
Nope.
Nope. Guys, I actually suck.
Oh!
Oh!
The game didn't let me get no magma cube.
Oh my god. I died again somehow. Okay, you know what? Just focus, Alex. Focus! Focus!
Yeah. Bro, can I have a grappler, bro? I need a grappler because I never find my way out.
Okay, yeah, sure.
I can't find my way out. I can never. Thank you.
Y'all owe me
you,
money.
brother.
Y'all owe me money.
Okay, I'll owe you. I owe you. I owe you because you're
Y'all
my
mean-
me too.
Nope.
Bro literally fell for the oldest thing in the book.
I'm a prehistoric pancake. Alright, 3, 2, 1. I should have probably brung an extra one.
Yeah.
But I should have probably brung an extra pickaxe because I suck at the game so much. I keep on dropping it in the lava.
That's insane.
Yeah,
It's this one, bro. It's this one.
Oh.
That's insane.
Yeah, it is.
Help!
No, I can't. Ah! All this time, she was standing there.
I'm coming, Butter.
She never took her eyes on me. What the? No, not dying. Not today. Well, actually, yes, dying today, maybe. Alright, gotta latch myself onto those. Oh, guys, I'm not gonna make it. I don't think that's the exit. I don't know what is and what isn't. Oh my god, guys, how could I suck at the game? Gotta latch myself. Hey, no! Okay, no, because our share is divided.
I literally grabbed it one time.
I forgot a pickaxe. You need to grab them. Well, no, I didn't forget a pickaxe. I forgot my backpack. You collect them. You collect them. I'll mine them.
There's more here. Wait.
You better not have died.
Hold on. Gotta try.
I can't.
Oh my god! Oh, I almost died.
I'm almost dead as well.
Bro, I don't know what it is.
Safety latch. Unclip the safety latch. Alright, I unclipped my safety. No way that you're dead. Oh my god, you're dead. Dude. I'm just gonna hook up my safety latch. Dude, are you dead?
Wait, what?
Are you dead? Because I'm taking one home. No, you're not dying.
Guys, she's glitching.
Oh, thank you. Don't die. Oh my god. I can't find a way out. I have to make a salary. No! I guess into here. Oh man, my head.
What's
Wherever
up?
guys going to.
I guess I just jump into there whenever.
Yo, Purple, where are you?
I just escaped.
Dude, can you buy me a grappler, please?
I'll buy you.
I need a grappler. I think I already have one.
That's okay. I made a salary.
You can buy me. Dude, I already have broccoli.
Guys, that was fun. I'm going again.
I'm coming with you, bro. I'm coming. Me too. Bro.
Hey guys,
We're going. We're going whatever we want, whatever time we want. Let's go. Let's go.
Bro, I need a
Alright, I got everything.
Blue,
Oh, no, I don't.
purple.
Yeah?
You need rockets.
I know. I just realized. Alright.
Yay.
Alright, I'm gonna follow you.
Guys, I'm an idiot.
Purple, wait for me.
Okay.
We're gonna jump at the same time, okay? We're gonna jump at the same time.
Alright.
In the same spot.
Which is right here.
You might want to jump where I am.
Alright. 3, 2, 1,
Two.
go! Oh my
Wait,
god.
we're jumping at the same time.
Yeah. That's why you got.
I immediately heard it. Alright. Safety latch.
I'm coming. I'm following you.
You're effing.
I'm looking at the wrist.
Motherfucker! Yeah. There's no way I'll be able to.
This guy killed me. Dude, can you go get my stuff?
Oh, nice. Okay, cool.
Oh, Max Cube, Max Cube. We have to get it now. Before they actually despawn. We gotta hurry before they despawn.
Hook up my safety latch.
I'll be the miner, you be the collector.
Okay.
I'll bring that one to you. I'll bring that. Ah!
Unhook my.
I'll get it.
You see, I have a safety latch, so it's kind of easy. Oh, that would have been a close one.
Help!
I can't. We can't physically grab each other. All right, cool. You also kind of have a safety latch.
Oh, I can't even get. Okay, let's just forget about it. I can't even get it.
All right.
I'll be the miner. Where is the red?
We're a part of the mining corps. You want to make a team called the mining corps?
Yeah.
All right, we're the mining corps. Over there, I see some.
Bro, we gotta be careful because look.
Motherfucker.
Get behind something.
Okay, miner, I trust you. Huh? Don't die. safety latch.
Hey, get behind something. Help. I'm gonna be the miner.
Must collect. Must make salary.
We must make money. You get it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna mine this one. Oh, they're literally camping.
Dude, stop camping, you fucking butts.
Dude, how are you gonna get this one? We gotta move somewhere else. They are tired.
Here, I got it.
But we gotta risk it. There's a lot of magma ores over here. Look all the way over there. Bring the cube. We gotta risk it. Ready to risk it?
No, wait.
Risk it.
Let's get this last one. I'm still alive. Don't worry.
Me too.
I see you struggle.
We go get it.
Gotta get this magma cube. What? No. Here, I better just grab it. You okay?
Yes. Where are
I think I might head back. I made enough money. Let's head back.
you guys?
Now. Dude, let's risk it.
Oh yeah, she did. Yeah!
Oh my God! Bro, that was way too close. Bro, that was way too close.
I want to do that ever again.
Bro, that was way too close. Way too close.
I can't do this no more.
Should we go back to that magma thing? Should we go back?
Yeah, I'm shutting it. I'm shutting it.
Wait, no, not me! Here's the grapple.
Did somebody die?
No.
I can't do this no more, bro.
Hey guys, let's go back to level map.
Okay, but let me end the video.
Here we go.
Let me end the video. Let me just do my intro. Alright, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. This was insane. My first Gorilla Tag episode. Everybody say goodbye on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye.
Goodbye.